In front of me is Honor 20 Lite, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate battery percentage and status bar on the following device. So as you can see, currently we do have battery percentage and status bar. We can see that it's 17%, and if you'd like to change it, just open the settings, then find and select and enter in search area battery. Percentage and mark it. And okay, let me mark it again, and now you can manage it. So you can pick either inside battery, next to the battery icon, or do not show. So let's check it. Inside battery looks like this. So you've got the percentage inside the battery icon, and next to it's like we had it previously, and do not show, it will not be displayed. But I will stay with the battery percentage. I will just mark it inside the battery icon. I think it's truly useful, so I do recommend to use it. And this is it. This is how you can manage battery percentage info. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.